What's up, golf fans? It's your instructor, Gerard Dyson. I'm just getting off of work, and if you're anything like me, you probably need something to help you relax your mind. So today, I'm going to give you a great tip that you can do in your own backyard that can help you lower your score and probably get a little stress off of your back as well from a hard, stressful work day. So before we head out back, there's a few items you're going to need. The first thing you're going to need is some practice balls. If you don't have any practice balls, I'll be glad to provide the link at the bottom of this video so that you can be able to have some before you go out the next time, alright? One thing you will find interesting about the practice ball is that it's the same size as a regular golf ball. What's the difference? The practice ball, I don't mind throwing it at the camera. The real golf ball, I'm going to put that down and make sure I don't bring that outside so I don't break out my neighbor's window. Second item you're going to need is some golf tees. If you don't have any golf tees, I suggest you just go to your local pro shop, go to your local Walmart or wherever, get you some golf tees. You can get a whole bag of them, 100 of them for about $2, $3, all right? The next item you're also going to need is your club. Get any iron that you would like. I would prefer you get your 8-iron, 9, or 7-iron. Okay. So the importance of this drill is to make sure that when you're out there on the golf course and you're getting ready to hit a golf ball, that the actual club head is maximizing power by hitting the ball first, ground second. Okay, let me do that one more time. You're going to be hitting the ball first with the golf swing. Boom, the ball's going to fly out ground second. Now, you're going to see a lot of people hit behind the ball out there on the golf course. They're usually hitting back here. That's going to make you lose a lot of power. So this drill, once again, is to help you to maximize power in your iron shots, okay? By making sure that you make contact with the ball first and the ground second. Now let's go outside and put this drill to work. So the first thing you want to do is set up your landing strip. Use the two items, any two items, soft items. Set them up about a club length apart. This is going to help you be able to hit the golf ball first and see what path your club head is going through. Second, place the golf tee in the middle. I'm going to place a practice ball in the middle just to show you when you're on the real golf course or at the range, that's where the ball is going to be. So for this example, what we're going to try to do is just see if we can get the club head to hit the ball first, or the tee first in this case, and ground second through the landing strip. That's a good swing. Watch the instructor. Boom! Like a jet, baby. The objective is to hit the ball first and the ground second. You see that the divot is not behind the ball, but in front of the ball. That's an example of what it looks like when you hit behind the ball. You lose a lot of power. Now I'm going to try with the practice ball. This is what you can do at home. Set up your landing strip, and then you can see the objective is to try to hit the ball first, ground second. Boom, just like that. Slow motion for me. Ball first, ground second. So when you first start off, you may see your swings look a little bit like this. But it's okay. Just keep practicing and you'll find yourself making good contact with the ball. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Alright golf fans, we're back inside. I hope you really enjoyed what you're seeing out there. Now, if you actually apply that, when you get to the golf course, you're going to realize, man, the instructor was right. I'm hitting my irons 20, 30, 40, 50 yards further than what I was doing. when I was hitting behind the ball. Okay, so I thank you guys for coming by. If you like what you heard, please subscribe, show some love, man, and I'll see you in the next lesson.